how to fix Gcash access temporarily blocked. So if you want to fix your Gcash access temporarily blocked or fix suspicious changes and reinstall error, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply tap and hold on to your Gcash application and then tap on the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to just simply go with storage and cache and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, and if you get this kind of interface, which is access temporarily blocked or Gcash detected suspicious changes, reinstall your Gcash app from the official app store or visit Help Center if issue persists. So what you need to do is just simply go back, uninstall your Gcash application, and then again open up your Play Store or your App Store. And here you need to search for Gcash. After searching, now you need to again install the application, and after installing, try to log into your account and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.